Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro. Today, we are exploring the Sony Xperia 2 2026, a phone that has taken the tech world by storm with its sleek design, powerful performance, and advanced camera features. If you are looking for a full unboxing, detailed review, and hands-on test of the Xperia 2, you're in the right place. The Sony Xperia 2 stands out with its premium design. It has a smooth matte glass back, a sturdy metal frame, and a slim, modern profile that feels great in hand. The display is a vivid OLED panel, offering stunning colors, deep blacks, and high brightness. Watching videos, scrolling through apps, or playing games feels immersive and ultra-smooth. When it comes to cameras, the Xperia 2 is a game changer. It features a triple camera setup with a main sensor, ultra-wide lens, and telephoto lens. The main camera captures sharp, detailed images, even in challenging light conditions. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscapes and group photos, while the telephoto lens offers crisp zoom shots without losing quality. Sony has also improved low-light photography and night mode, making it ideal for content creators and photography enthusiasts. Performance-wise, the Sony Xperia 2 is powered by the latest high-speed processor. Coupled with ample RAM and fast internal storage, it handles multitasking, gaming, and heavy applications effortlessly. Apps open instantly, switching between tasks is smooth, and even graphics-intensive games run without lag. The battery life is impressive. The Xperia 2 comes with a long-lasting battery, keeping you connected all day. It also supports fast charging, so you spend less time plugged in and more time using your device. Additionally, the phone has smart battery optimization features that adapt to your usage patterns, ensuring longer life and efficiency. Software on the Xperia 2 is clean, intuitive, and packed with useful features. It runs on the latest Android version with Sony's custom enhancements. You get features like AI camera improvements, enhanced security, and optimized performance, making the device user-friendly and extremely powerful. The Sony Xperia 2 also excels in entertainment and productivity. The OLED display and stereo speakers deliver crisp sound and immersive visuals, perfect for watching movies or streaming content. The phone also supports productivity apps, allowing you to edit documents, manage emails, and multitask seamlessly. In terms of connectivity, the Xperia 2 supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and reliable connections. Whether you are gaming online, video calling, or streaming high-definition content, the network performance is stable and consistent. Overall, the Sony Xperia 2 is a phone that combines style, power, and functionality. It is perfect for tech enthusiasts, photographers, gamers, and everyday users who want a premium experience in every aspect. From its stunning design and cutting-edge display to its powerful performance and versatile camera, the Xperia 2 is truly one of the best smartphones of 2026. If you want to see full camera tests, gaming performance, and hidden features, stay tuned till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for daily tech reviews and the latest updates in the world of smartphones.